Here I have VODAFONE Smart Platinum 7, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. Firstly, I need to remove a case from this device. Then you have to find a SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. And then with this tool, eject the SIM card slot by putting tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out, and here you have to put your SD card, and right next to it your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, now I can't unlock my phone without entering PIN code to SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there is also a notification SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.